Good afternoon, everybody. How y'all doing? Pretty good here, and welcome to the channel. Hey, I thought it'd be kind of fun today to do a little walk around on the Tundra back here and take a look at the mods that I've done. I did something similar like this, or to this rather, with the Tacoma, and rank them for you guys from 1 to 5. What I think of them. 1 being the lowest, 5 being the highest. So we're going to start on the exterior, take a walk around, and let you guys know. Okay, we're going to start, like I said, out here on the exterior. Now, if there's anything that you guys see, like the wheels and stuff here that I don't mention, it's because it came standard on the truck, or in this package, the TSS package. So the first place I'm going to start are with the letters on the side. You'll notice it's nice and smooth down here until you get to there. Right there. But anyway, I did some debadging. I removed the blacked out Tundra badge. Didn't really want to have that on there. The only badge that I left was the SR5 because I think that's kind of cool. I just like the looks of it. I just think it's kind of neat. I did leave the TSS off-road kind of up in the air a little bit about taking that off. I really haven't decided yet. But as far as debadging goes, from an aesthetic standpoint, in my opinion, I'd give that about a 3.5. I'd rank that as about a 3.5 for satisfaction. Now, going around here to the back, of course, we have the stamped, or had just the stamped Tundra name back here. And you'll notice I did remove the other badging that was back here. But I did put letters in there, the black kind of vinyl-y kind of letters. I think it's awesome. I think, especially since you have the Tundra, you know, stamped in the bed back there anyway, I think it just really pops. I really like that. Aesthetically, again, I'd give that a 5. Installation was very simple. They're just adhesive stuck in there, so pretty darn simple. Go around here. Another one that I'll mention, of course, since I'm back here, are the RobMotive stickers you guys can see right there. Of course, you know, being that they add 50 horsepower minimum, you know, to the truck each, that's a 5. That's definitely a 5. Over here on the side, you'll notice the front windows are tinted. I tint every vehicle that I get. I tried to match the rear as much as I could, so whatever the rear is, supposed to be pretty close to that. It's somewhere around 28%, something like that. For me, both aesthetically and functionally, of course, they cut the sun on the inside of the truck, which I love. Definitely a 5. I think that's a must-do on any vehicle, especially if you live in a sunny area like I live. You guys can see it's sunny here now. Moving on, bumper caps. You know, I'm not a big chrome fan. When I got the truck, it had lots of chrome. Chrome back here on each corner, the bumper caps in the rear. And then if we go up to the front, of course it had chrome bumpers here. Now, these are caps. I did get them from Sparks Parts, by the way. They're awesome. Pretty simple to install, and I think aesthetically, wow, what a difference. They transform the whole look of the truck, in my opinion. Definitely a 5. As far as putting them on, they're not too hard to do. Just take your time. Not too difficult. The grill. The grill with the hood bulge color match. This, of course, was all chrome before. I bought this, again, from Sparks Parts. And by the way, while I'm thinking of it, if you're looking for anything from Sparks Parts, you can get all these parts there. And make sure you use discount code RobMotive for 5% off your order. But anyway, really transforms the look of the truck. It's a simple mod. Pretty easy to do. Doesn't take much time. Definitely a 5, as well as the bumper caps. Definitely a 5 as far as I'm concerned from an aesthetic standpoint. I think it's awesome. Let's see. Moving over here, a very simple mod. Of course, I went with a carbon fiber look. Antenna It is a shorter antenna. Again, something I usually do to every vehicle if it has an antenna, is get rid of that big long whip antenna that's usually silver, by the way. I love this. It's an easy mod. Where would I rank it? I'd give it about a 4.5, only because it's nothing earth-shattering, but it does have an impact on the look of the truck, and I really do like it. Moving back over here to the grill, recently I did a front-facing anytime cam mod. This is the camera here on the Tundra. What that does, if you haven't seen the video, it enables me to flip a switch and have a front cam displayed on the radio on all the time until I turn it off. Or I can switch to the rear camera, which came with the truck, and have it on all the time until I turn it off. Really like that mod. I would give that mod a 5. I think it definitely is a must-have in a vehicle this big. You cannot see over the front when you pull up to things, and it's just nice to have. Let's move on into the interior now. We'll start over here and kind of show you in the door handle area, or the door area rather. I have all these cup holder inserts down there, in here. As we move into the truck, I also have them obviously here in the armrest and the cup holders, the little cubby area, everywhere in here. I've put the cup holder inserts from Tough Skins. Check them out, and while I'm thinking of that, there is a discount there as well. It is RobMotive 10 for 10% off anything you buy there. And I think they're awesome. I love the look of them. They also protect the areas below, of course. You know, when you're throwing change and stuff in here, you're not scratching everything up. And it doesn't rattle around like crazy because they are almost like they are foam actually. So they do give you some padding, some cushioning, so you don't hear all this stuff rattling around when you're driving. That's a benefit within itself. The center console badge. Check this out. I love this. I think this is awesome. It represents the channel. You can put anything you want there. The SR5 that was there, or even if you have a Platinum, it just pops out. And then you can put this in. It's just adhesive backed, and I think it's awesome. I love it. What a nice touch. Let's see, the cup holder trim. This area right here was the same as this area here. That bright, shiny chrome. And in the sunlight, and I did a video on this, you guys can check it out, but this, and if you have the truck, you know, was blinding. You know, if the sun comes in through the front windshield, or if you have a sunroof up there and reflects off of this, it never fails. It's right in your eyes. This little ring just pops off, and I actually painted it myself, spray painted it, trying to get as close of a match as I could to the trim area around here and around the edge. I think it's pretty cool. It came out awesome. An easy mod to do. And backing up, I forgot the cup holder mod. I would give them a 5 for protection and appearance. You can get different colors and stuff. The center console badge, I would give that a 5. Absolutely, I just love that. This trim holder mod, I would give that a 5 because again, it blocks the sun, and I like the look much better myself. So just to back up a little bit, I forgot to give you guys my my ranking. Next, the carbon fiber garnishes that I've put in here. We have carbon fiber trim pieces around the vents, and that is to get rid of the chrome if you have it around the vents, and give you that really cool carbon fiber look. They are actual carbon fiber pieces. And then the carbon fiber garnish or inserts here for around the badging on the steering wheel. I love these. I think they just add a nice little personalized touch. You can get other colors and things. You don't have to get carbon fiber. They have other stuff, but I think they're pretty darn cool. Again, I'd give them a 5. You may notice a trend here. I tend to do mods that I really, really like, so that's why you're seeing a lot of 5s here, I suppose. The TRD Pro shift knob. Now, the TRD Pro shift knob, it's got a This might be an exception. I do like it. I do like the feel of it. I like the feel of it rather better than the OEM version. But I can't say that that it's an overwhelmingly substantial mod. It does have the red stitching here in the sides or in the front. That's kind of cool. But it's rather pricey for what it is. I don't know. I'd probably give this about a 4 on my scale. I do like it, but it's not quite as impactful as some of the other things, I don't think. And lastly, I'll mention, and I've had these actually in a couple of trucks now. These I got from a subscriber who got them on eBay. And they are at least known by me as seat stuffers. They just go around your seatbelt lock or holder here, just with this little edge. That's all that holds them in, and then you, as the name would apply, stuff them in between the seat and the console. And the purpose of them, number one, with the Toyota logo and stuff on them, it's really cool. I really like that. It just gives a little pop to the interior. And they're functional. They keep junk from falling down in between the seats, you know, coins, French fries, you know, $100 bills, if you have those. So they're very handy from that perspective as well. These are absolutely a 5. I think they're marvelous, man. I really, really like those. So anyway, I just wanted to do a fairly quick run around of the mods and things that I've done to the truck, some of the stuff that I have in the truck. Folks ask about things here and there, and I thought I'd let you guys know what I think of these things. Again, I know most of them were 5s, and again, that's probably because I tend to pick things that I'm familiar with or I've researched and kind of know what to expect when I get them rather. So I'm not usually disappointed. Anyway, that is it for now. There are some more things coming. I'm waiting on delivery of a few more things for both the Tundra and the Tacoma, actually. And they're going to be pretty substantial mods. Going to make a big difference in both trucks, I think. We'll see. Anyway, appreciate you guys watching. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And we'll see you next time on the web. Have a great day. Bye.